Hey guys, thanks for writing in with all of your questions. I'm sorry I can't respond to all of them because there are thousands every day. But I did want to respond to one which was about what am I making in quarantine, and can I share some practical recipes? So I think that was a good thing to ask about because so many people right now are giving us these impractical recipes like how to make leek souffle, and then how to make dinner from frozen peas and oranges. And I think these are fairly useless and impractical. Because everybody knows that leeks aren't even edible. So mine is recipe is what to do with your chip bits. Now, chip bits, as you probably know, are those useless little fragments, those shards of chips that remain at the bottom of your chip bag, and they're really difficult to dip, impossible. They're not very pleasant to look at. Look, they don't even look good on camera. So here's what I do with them, because otherwise you just put them at the back of your cupboard and pray for them to go stale so you can throw them away guilt-free. This might work out, man. So what you do is you take your chip bits and you put them on a plate, and then you use the glue of the kitchen, cheese. And you spread the glue of the kitchen, cheese, all over your chip bits, and you distribute it in a really heavy, thick fashion like they might in Wisconsin. And what happens then is once you heat it up, you've got, instead of all of these useless little chip bits, you've got one giant chip conglomerate, a chip planet, basically, that you can eat. You could break it up into smaller parts. You could eat it as one whole, like a pizza. Just get a good grip on it. Some serving suggestions: hot sauce, refried beans, olives. There you go. You have yourself a well-rounded meal. Well, I hope that helps you guys make use of your chip bits. Stay safe out there. Bye.